Welcome back to the Aspin shed. Another bit of a development on the 4-stroke. I've done a bit more today and we're not far off now, so I'll just show you where I'm up to. Well, I finished obviously the plug hole. I got the valves in. I got the valve springs. I made these little cups with a pin going through the valve stem. I don't think you see the pin in there. It's very difficult, I should think, to lock the valve to the spring. We've got 2 rockers. Nothing fantastic. Drilled the holes in the wrong place to start with. Corrected that. We've got a little brass spacer to keep them the same distance apart. We've got the push rods into the cam followers. And that's it. And now it does turn over and we do get a compression stroke every 4 strokes. What it's doing on the other strokes I have no idea, but we get a compression. So there's the compression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we've got compression on the 4th stroke, so that's good. There's a bit of hissing and whizzing, but I haven't tried grinding the valves in yet. It's only a very small valve movement I've got. It's hardly discernible. I don't know if you can see it there. Inlet, compression, exhaust. There's the exhaust. You see it's only just cracks. So that's it. The next thing to make tomorrow is going to be the back plate, and then I'm not going to wait and make a carburetor. I'm going to try a bit of fuel in it, put some power to it. Oh no, the other thing I've got to do is thread the crankshaft, make a boss so we can fasten a flywheel or something to it. So after I've done that, I'll be in a position to try spinning it over with a drop of fuel. It sounds as though it might do something. Better than I expected, I'll tell you. So that's it. The Nipsa 7.5cc 4-stroke. It nearly lives. So we're nearly there now. As I said, I've just got to thread the crankshaft. Ooh, it's got some compression. I'm amazed at that. Yeah, I've got to thread the crankshaft, make a boss for it, and I've got to make the crankcase cover for the back. Yes, there's a couple of nuts locking nuts I've got to put on the tappets, and I've got to drill and tap that to put a grub screw in to hold the shaft in for the rockers, and that's about it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, disliking and hanging out in the shed.